this video guide by Wellforce. Today we will be covering some basic steps to enable MFA, reset a user's MFA, and some basic conditional access policies. The locations of these settings are subject to change from Microsoft, so please understand if they move in the future. First things first, we'll need to make sure that modern authentication is enabled. If you created your 365 tenant after August 2017, this will be enabled by default. However, let's hop into the settings menu on the 365 Admin Center. If you do not see this menu, you may simply need to go to Show All or Customize Navigation and allow it to be seen. From here, we'll go to Services and Add-ins, and we'll scroll down to Modern Authentication. As you can see, Enable Modern Authentication is enabled by default, so we'll simply close out of that. To continue, we're going to go to the Setup page. At this point, we'll be able to see the Turn on Multi-Factor Authentication guided setup. We're going to want to click into View. Review this if you would like, however, we're just going to click on Get Started. This pop-out blade will tell us about what we're enabling. Microsoft does recommend that you leave these two options checked off. From this search, you can look for users that you never want to have MFA required for. We don't recommend that you use this too much, and in fact, if you do want to whitelist anyone, we recommend you simply use conditional access policies instead. For now, we're simply going to go ahead and hit Create Policy. And you can see now that it says completed. Let's click into Manage. Once you are on this page, you'll get a Welcome to Azure pop-up. We do recommend that you do the Start Tour. However, for this video, we're simply going to hit Maybe Later. So while the baseline policies for MFA are pretty limited with the standard license, we do recommend enabling them anyway because it will make you that much more secure. If these policies are not stringent enough for your needs, you can, of course, create your own policies. However, that will require you purchasing additional licenses. If you click onto the purple bar at the top, it'll show you that you'll need the Enterprise Mobility and Security E5 or the Azure AD Premium P2 plans. Once you purchase those and apply them to your account, you'll be able to go into the new policy options and customize them to your needs. One thing that you can do with the base level MFA is named locations, which is just a trusted location for your systems. From here, you can click on to New Location, and you could set up an HQ or a separate office with IP ranges or countries. You can mark it as a trusted location so that MFA is never required there. And then you could simply put in your public IP address range. From there, you can hit Create, and it'll add it to a trusted locations list. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please comment below if you have any requests for videos or topics, as we would love to hear your thoughts. Also, please visit wellforceit.com for more information, and remember, stay safe out there.